Okay, let's go.
Good morning. So we had a storm this morning. Stuff has been knocked down. Ladder back there. Yeah. Had to pick the buckets up and all. But the structure is still up. So, yay for that. I'm walking around. I don't see much damage on our property. So, sorry for the wind. It is windy right now. But yeah, we're gonna feed the animals, check on them, and all. But yeah, structure's up still. Pond is filled up again. Janko loves jumping in there. She's a Frenchie, y'all. Explain it to me. She'll sit in there. That's why I say she's part pig, because she likes to be in the mud. So yeah, when I joke about Janko, my Frenchie, being part pig, I'm not lying. I'm not lying at all. So yeah, let's get to it, y'all. You gonna say good morning, Big Red? I'm gonna talk about your water, your feeder. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't get when Chris was making these, but it rained this morning, y'all, so the top's wet. We have three on this bucket, and I set it over here, and they've already used it. That's the feeder. They just stick their little head in there, and they get their feed that way. Then for the water, they've made it disgusting, but it also rained as well. As you can tell, the bucket's disgusting. I'm gonna have to refill that. But I already had the bucket, so Chris only had to buy this, and you refill there with the water hose. So I'm gonna refill this. I thought it was pretty cool, but yeah, I'll clean it up. It's gross because it just rained. Everything's muddy. But yeah, you hook the water hose here, it fills up, you turn it over, and it gives them fresh water, which I have to clean it out and give fresh water because it's almost empty. It's been really hot, so they've been really thirsty. So I'm gonna do that as soon as this video is over. Christopher and I have, and now that this is wet, I think I'm gonna scrape it off, because I tried to scrape it off last time, and because every time it gets muddy, we step up in here and it just gets muddy. So I'm gonna wipe that out. But Christopher and I came out this morning and did the homestead chores. I have an extra water bowl right there so they can have water. We've spread so the only thing we have to do is spread the scratch out here, because that right there is their crumbles. They're laying crumbles that I feed them. So, yeah. And they love it that way. Isn't that right, Big Red? Yeah. Yeah. So, I'll put a picture of those items at the end. So, if you're watching this, watch the end. You'll see the pictures of those little things. Like I said, we already had the buckets here at the house. All we had to do was cut the hose and on the feeder and attach them to there so they could eat. Then I had the bucket for the water and we filled it up, turned it over. They got fresh water. I'll come out and give them fresh water in just a minute. So there's that. That's what's new. Let's go over and check to see how the piggies are doing. Hold on. It has rained enough to put enough water in their area. So that saves me from watering this morning. We're keeping Leah. Chocolate chip cookie will be grown and she'll be food for us. Yeah. And then, of course, there's enough water in here. And look at those tails waggle. Wiggle, waggle. Wiggle, waggle. Peppa. Peppa. She's like, I'm eating. You're going to say good morning to people? Hmm? Go eat breakfast. I'm going to walk to George and Georgia on that side. The other side of Nikki and Peppa. Hey, girls. Having breakfast, having breakfast. Okay. George and Georgia. This one's George. As y'all can tell, he is feeling so much better. Georgia's over there. They got plenty of water, plenty of mud. And see, on this side, we got to build another structure like this, which I told Chris we need to put more of these posts on all around so that it can be more structurally sound. But here will be the other pen that we put in like this. Then he's got to build another house like that for the new piggy that's coming. So plenty of green. We'll actually cut it down just a little bit, but that's where the new piggy's gonna go. And I'm so excited to get that. They found me on this side. Were you not done telling people hi? Go eat breakfast. Come on, Janko. Look, she's always, I'm telling you, she's a farm pig. Farm dog. Peppa and Nikki are the only ones that have a door on their building, so we lock them up at night. We don't lock up the other pigs because they're safe. They don't like to be locked up, so we don't lock them up. They stay out. But these ones, I like I said, I feel more safe that they're locked up and we just let them out in the morning. So, yeah. We're going to go check on the turkeys and the other chickens. Come on. Here are the other chickens. They have several ways of getting food, several ways of getting water. I threw some scratch down for them. I kind of like that little thing that Chris has built for right now, just because it's easy for them to go inside. I close the door, let him out in the morning. Of course, he's gonna build something different, but for right now, that works for me. They're all happy when they come out. There's the door, y'all. There's the door. Woo! So, yeah. They like jumping up on the structure. So it just gives them something to jump on and play around and fight and flap their wings. Let's go check on the turkeys. Hold on. Let's go. Come on. And they are out this morning, as far as I know. Oh, y'all spilled y'all's water. Look at them go. Like I stated in my last video, the bigger one I had in the very beginning, there was another one that size. Predator got to it. I don't know how. And so Jimmy from Slim Chance Outdoors brought me the 2 younger ones, and they're loving it out here together with the older turkey. I just got to bring them more water because, as you can tell right there, they spilt their water. Probably flopping around because they do like that. They get up there on their structure and jump around, flap their wings. But listen to them. I'm gonna have to show you in a later video what Chris has put together for the ones inside, for the chickens that are inside right now. It's pretty funny, but it works. And yeah, it's pretty hilarious. So keep a lookout for that. I'll do another video on that. You're probably wondering why that's in there. I cleaned that off and I put water in there just so they can have more water. Making noise. It's what they love to do. So thanks for coming along with us and checking the animals. They're happy. Yeah. They're happy, y'all. So thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave us a comment because I love comments. And I will comment back. I'm getting better at that, y'all. I'm getting better. So, until next time, y'all stay wonderful. We're almost there. We're almost to the 1,000, y'all. Because of you. You wonderful people. So, love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.